Today I'm in Spotlight and I'm just going to show you what they have today. It's the sale for Halloween. So basically we have different types of masks here. It says there if you're a member you can get something here from $4. And these are pretty good masks. So they're only $10. Like for that panda mask. Just show you what's there. Getting around, we're looking at the hats. Okay, so if you're a non-member that'd be $20, but if you're a member it's $14, so it's a good saving. Same with these hats. Or costumes, they're around about $28 if you're a member, or $40 if you're not. So look at Medusa headband. I like the cat headband. I think it's cute. And there's one that makes it look like there's a knife in your head. There's one there if you want to dress up to look a bit like Wednesday Addams. I think she's going to be popular this year. If you haven't seen the TV show, it's really good. Different witches' hats, some with a bit of lace around, makes them a bit more fancy. Muscle suit. Gnomes enjoying Halloween, more costumes. I actually like looking at decorations the most, but I'm sure there'll be people wondering what's here. So, we've got pirates and green monsters and skeleton-y things, Halloween colours, clowns. So the children ones, they're $35 if you're not a member, $24 if you are. And for something like a cape, that's down from $10 to $7 if you're a member. And there's big, gigantic, ugly spiders. Normally $40, but for members $28. Costumes. Now we're getting closer to the decorations. We've got things for the trick-or-treaters. So a drink dispenser, if they're hot from all the walking, some cute little bags and butterfly net collecting things. And some furry buckets and normal buckets with Halloween faces on them. Bat rings. Blood bags, syringes, flower stems, skeleton wings, that's what they look like. $17.50 if you remember. Bunting, gauzy stuff, lots of inflatables. You can get a good inflatable for only $17.50, but $25 if you're a member. And these are a bit more expensive here. I'll just show you the prices so I don't have to rattle them off all the time. Pirate cooler. Garden stakes. and an inflatable ghost. had a look at this earlier. This is a good idea, I think. You could put all sorts of welcome signs or spooky messages on there if you want. I think that looks really great. That is $21 if you remember, and $30 if you're not. And this is just a velvet jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. And this is a light up pumpkin. Oh, not pumpkin, light up. Oh, now hold on a minute. This is light up apparently. It says so here on the price. Sorry, and the price for the other one is further down here. I'll show you after we put these ones. That one looks a bit Christmassy, but that's only $10.50, lighting up. Glasses, skull glasses, craft things, pumpkins, light stand. This one is $21 and it is a light up, and $30 if you're not a member. And there's some more neon light signs. I have a thing about black cats, so I like the cat signs. Things you can stick on the window and tape. Tablecloths for parties. Trick or treat buckets. There's the garden stakes, so they're $24.50, normally $35. Beware signs. Fencing. Rubber rat. Sorry, it's hard to show you these tags on them. Oh well, turn it around. So you can get one of those for about $6. $7 for a sparkly spider in different colours. Cats, $14 if you remember. Lights, orange lights, purple lights. $10.50 if you remember. $15 if you're not. Small lights and skeleton-y things. Dog one there by the look of it, and a black crow with a stake. So more of these flocked black pumpkins. This one lights up. Door decorations. House decorations. This one looks like it lights up. I've had a look at that earlier. I'd have to pull the tag on it to make it work properly, and I don't want to do that to the shop. I'm guessing it probably makes sounds. So, sewing machine one. I'll use lots of these in my display to cover up the garden stakes that I use for my fencing. Gives it a bit of a decoration there. And they even have skeleton mermaids. And as you can see, there's more weaponry there. If you're into that sort of thing. And some big skeletons. And I believe that's it. Happy Halloween, happy shopping.